What if I tell you there's a way you can find out companies that are hiring in your country zone globally? Yes, there's a way you can find out and start applying for jobs. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Ada. I am an executive virtual assistant and a coach. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can find out companies that are hiring globally. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's get started.
So this is Lemlist, and we are going to walk our way around. I'm going to show you how you can find companies that are hiring globally. So when you go to your Chrome browser, search for Lemlist. Until you see this logo, then you know you are at the right place. So you just click on the logo and then it will bring you to this page. So for me, I'm going to be logging in, but if you are not logged in, you can sign up for free. So Lemlist is a lead generation tool. You can use it to generate leads. So if you are job hunting, you are looking for job, this is the perfect tool for you. Okay, so this is it, and we are going to be generating leads from here. So first off, we are going to go to this button here and expand. Okay, good. Let's edit this, then inviting us for a webinar. So now this is my dashboard. So if you want to search for the companies that are hiring globally, click on this search anything and go to people database. When you go to people database, you are going to make use of these buttons to search for the company that are hiring globally. So remember, our target is company, not people. So if you want to find out how to generate leads for people, we are going to do that here, maybe in another video. But now we're just going to companies, right? So now we are going to scroll down and go to companies. So now we're going to target companies that are hiring. This is it. So click on this plus sign and select the companies that are hiring globally. So we're going to include this. Click on include. Good. So it's currently loading, as you can see. So we're going to wait for it to load. Now I'm going to show you that it is not all. It's not just to generate leads on companies that are hiring globally. The next thing is to come back here. So now we are going to scroll down and look for company size. Okay, company size matters a lot because you don't want to go to a company that has over 50 employees. No, if you are a freelancer and you are starting new, your target is company that are just starting out, and you can see them on LinkedIn. You can get to find out about their um website on LinkedIn. Okay, if we collapse this, let me collapse this and show you what I'm talking about. If we collapse this, you are going to see the name, the country. You can see for United Kingdom, United States, Germany, India. You can see the company size 200 to 500. No, 1000. This is not our goal. So we are going to filter all this out. Look at their company website. You can go to their website and see if they are hiring. They are actually hiring. So if you go to either their LinkedIn or their website, you're going to see they're hiring. Then for the industry, they have different industry: real estate, manufacturing, education. So you need to filter yourself. Okay, so now let's go down and look for the size. So we're going to go for company size and then wait for it to load. So we're going to target company that are hiring 11 to 50. Let's just target 11 to 50. And you see that it will reduce from the 128,000, 28,000 or 28 million. 128 million to 4 million. So this is it 4 million? That is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you can see that 11 to 50 has from 128 million has reduced to 4.3 million. Okay, so now the next thing is to scroll down and select the industry, because you can clearly see that. Let's scroll down. You see that the industry here might not be what you are targeting, because as a freelancer, niching down is important. So we're going to go to industry and click on this plus sign and wait for it to load. So it has loaded. You can see different company from different industry. You can scroll down, you can see all of them. So if you are into real estate is here, public admin is here, retail, telecommunication, wholesale. So let's, in this case, we are going to go for real estate. So let's click on include real estate. So for 4.3 million, it's going to either reduce or increase, we don't know, or it should reduce. Oh, now we are left down to 152,000 companies. You see how it is reducing. That is the essence of filtering your lead. So we are done with including our real estate. So the next part we are going to be doing is the region. This is where we are coming to companies hiring according to your region globally. So we are going to go to companies region. That is where we are going to go to, and this is it. Okay, so when you click on plus sign, and you can clearly see the companies that are hiring in Europe, Western Europe, Southern Europe, Northern Europe, Eastern Europe, America, North America. You scroll down, Africa, North Africa, West Africa, Central Africa. So you can see when I said according to your region, according to your, we also have according to your country. Okay. So now in this case, as an African, I'll be going for Africa. Okay. So let's click on West Africa because I'm actually from West Africa. But if I want to go far, I can then choose Africa. Okay. Company hiring in West Africa. This is like an opportunity to work with people in your country, in your region. So I'm going to click on this and waiting for it to load. So it's currently loading. So and this is it. Our leads got reduced up to 1,594. So these are the companies that are hiring in West Africa. Okay, hiring in West Africa. So if you decide that okay, I don't want to limit myself to just West Africa, I can then go for Africa. So you can click here and see how it's going to increase. So you don't have to bother yourself looking for countries that are hiring globally anymore. You can be able to do that here on Lemlist. You can clearly see we have 6,000 plus in Africa. So you are going to go through this list, go to their website, go to their LinkedIn. You can go to their LinkedIn over here. They are all real estate, over 6,000 plus. Okay. So if you want to further your search, scroll down. You can click on here. Let's wait for it to load. So we have countries here: United States, America, Italy, India. So if you know you want to work with any of these countries, you can just click on them and start working on them. So one thing you should understand is that these are also great way. This is also a way for you to work with this company by sending out cold emails to them, cold DMs. So I'm going to do a detailed video on how you can send out cold emails, DMs to them by going to their website, look for their email, look for their social media platforms, and work with them. About Lemlist is that if you did not subscribe to the pro version, you won't be able to download this list at once. Okay, you won't be able to do that. You can only export 100 leads at once. So what you do is save your leads first, click on this option and save it first. Okay, I already have leads under real estate, so I can save it under here, and our leads have been saved. Then another thing you are going to do next is to let it load. Okay, so our leads have been saved. If you want to save these leads, if you want to export this, you need to push it to the campaign first. So you see that it's telling us to push 100 leads to campaign. That is the limit. And you're going to use coins. They'll naturally give you free coins for the first time. So I don't know if I still have extra coins. I don't have extra coins as it is. I don't have extra coins. So you can just use your extra coins and work with them. Okay, but if you don't have coins also, this is what I do. I always use my instant data scraper to scrape this data. So you can click on your instant data scraper to see if it's going to scrape this data. So you can see it's already scraping the data here. You can see it. Can you see? It's already scraping the data here. They are linking. So it is scraping the data here. So instead of waiting for um Lemlist to export just 100, instant data scraper will help you to export as many as you can. By the time you keep clicking on next scraper will help you to scrape your data. Okay, to help you to scrape your data. So here right now we can make use of, when you finish with the 100, you are going to delete and go to the next page. That is how it works, because Lemlist is very detailed on, they don't want you to see other leads aside from the 100. If you want me to give a detailed video on how to make use of instant data scraper, please drop a comment in this video and I'm going to do that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.